Your Chevy Traverse is slamming into gear or jerking violently when the auto start-stop engages at traffic lights. The fix for this annoying and potentially dangerous issue is cleaning the throttle body, a process that takes about 15 minutes and costs almost nothing. Carbon buildup inside the throttle body chokes the engine's airflow when it tries to restart, causing that harsh hesitation and sudden jerk. Modern engines like the one in your Traverse rely on precise air and fuel mixtures to start smoothly. The auto start-stop system shuts the engine down to save fuel while you wait. When you lift your foot off the brake, the engine fires back up instantly. The throttle body valve must open exactly the right amount to let fresh air in. Over time, oily carbon residue from the PCV system bakes onto the inside of the throttle body, creating a sticky black ring around the butterfly valve. This sticky residue prevents the valve from opening smoothly or closing completely. The engine computer gets confused because the airflow does not match the commanded position. When the start-stop system tries to wake the engine, it starves for air for a split second. The engine stumbles, the transmission catches abruptly, and you feel a massive clunk through the whole vehicle. Many owners mistake this for a failing transmission or bad motor mounts. Cleaning the throttle body restores that smooth airflow immediately. You just need to remove the air intake hose clamped to the engine to access the valve. Spray a high-quality throttle body cleaner onto a clean microfiber towel. Wipe away the black ring of carbon around the inside of the barrel and the edges of the valve plate. Avoid spraying the cleaner directly into the intake manifold to prevent pooling. Once the metal is completely clean and shiny, reattach the intake hose and tighten the clamp. When you start the vehicle, the engine computer will recognize the restored airflow. The idle will smooth out, and the auto start-stop system will engage almost seamlessly again. This simple maintenance step brings back the refined driving experience your Traverse is supposed to have.